Welcome to another scintillating edition of our newsletter. Hopefully you get a chance to take a look at what we've done, and also you've had a chance to get all your Christmas shopping done. If you don't celebrate Christmas, hopefully you got some of that other shopping done and spreading some good cheer around to everybody. We've been spreading some great cheer around here at the Trusted Toolbox, where we've been talking to our technicians about making sure that we focus on that great customer experience. We want to make sure that you're getting everything taken care of around the house. This is a great time of year to go ahead and look at that weather stripping around your doors and make sure we got it all taken care of for you. We can even go around and make sure that all your windows are snug back up before all that cold weather comes through. Remember to go ahead and change those furnace filters out if you haven't already, because as we change out and start to head into the heating season, it's a good opportunity for us to go do that. It's a simple DIY task that you can take care of, and we can help you take care of a lot of the other stuff around the house. The other stuff around the house, kind of like building a man cave. Maybe building a children's playroom so the kids can have somewhere to play and take care of all those great presents and toys that they got this Christmas season. Again, if you want to get something taken care of around your house, you can do it yourself. You can check us out at the Trusted Toolbox. You can give us a call. You can even go online and set up an online estimate. We pride ourselves in making sure that we're out there helping you as much as we can take care of your number one asset around your house, your home. So in this great season of time, take time to give thanks and cherish the family and friends that come over to your house. And maybe some of those family and friends, like Uncle Tony, who points out some of those things around the house that need to get fixed. Maybe he needs to take a look at a few things. Maybe he can help you. But if he can't, we know we sure can.